Greetings, and thank you for taking the time to review this presentation. My name is Mike Gianelli with Sonalysts Incorporated, and I am the Principal Investigator for Navy SBIR topic N192-094, titled Multiplayer Serious Game for Anti-Submarine Warfare Sonar Operator Training. This is for the Program Office Integrated Warfare Systems 5 or IWS 5 undersea systems. Sonalysts is short for Sonar Analysts, and we have been in business since 1973. Over the years, we have branched out from analyzing sonar data to providing analysis and training services and products to the Departments of Defense, Homeland Security, and Energy, as well as to commercial entities. As you can see in this slide, we still have a big focus on the U.S. Navy, and specifically the undersea warfare domain. Sonalysts' combination of former Navy subject matter experts, experienced software engineers, and talented graphic artists are key resources we employ in developing modeling and simulation-based solutions for military training, analysis, and decision support. As with any training requirement, building anti-submarine warfare or ASW skills requires the operators practice the skills they learn in scenarios that have tactical relevancy to the situations they may encounter during real-world missions. To avoid skill atrophy, constant repetition is required. While the SQQ-89 Surface Undersea Warfare System is the premier system for the United States Navy surface fleet, getting the reps and sets while underway is difficult due to the requirement of putting the system in a training mode. In order to provide sailors the ability to train anytime they need and with any available crew, Sonalyst is developing Ping, an ASW team training serious game designed to improve operational proficiency. Using identified Navy sonar team tasks, we have built an ASW team trainer that runs within the Firefox web browser. In order to support training with any number of sonar operators, we have been able to create accurate AI-based virtual crew that players can interact with. Sonalysts developed realistic operational displays within Unity in order to increase operators' engagement via displays that look familiar yet run within a web browser. A unique game feature of Ping is that it makes players communicate with each other using approved verbal cadences, which reinforces proper team communication during training. The sonar sensor and undersea environment modeling within Ping are based on Sonalysts' extensive experience with sonar simulation and displaying sonar simulated sensor data to operators. Ping also comes with a detailed yet easy to use scenario editor, allowing anyone to create accurate and challenging scenarios based upon specific training objectives. Ping is capable of monitoring player performance and communicating that out to a learning record store so players and instructors can better understand where training can make a difference. Currently in our second year of our 3-year contract, Ping is aligned within the Navy's Advanced Capability Build, or ACB, technology onboarding process. During this Phase 2 SBIR contract, Sonalyst is working closely with the Navy for ACB process evaluation steps 1 and 2 in preparation to be approved for inclusion in the ACB training software trunk deployed on board ships and at the ASW schoolhouse. In order to mitigate risk, we participate in the IWS 5 periodic program reviews to review strategy for integration and transition. We have also been holding biweekly meetings with IWS 5 identified Navy SMEs who provide direct feedback and clear direction to our design. If approved for ACB Step 2, IWS 5 will work with Sonalysts in identifying beyond Phase 2 funding to integrate into the training software environment. This is the IWS 5 planning schedule that was accurate to when this presentation was approved for release. The seminal transition events coincide with the ACB STEP process. Ping's browser-based design will allow operators access to the game on any console or computer connected to the SQQ89 server so as not to interrupt actual system operation. Based on its always available nature and close adherence to tactical guidance, Ping aims to measurably improve individual and team ASW performance with scenarios that target specific proficiency gaps and report on how well players and teams perform over time. With IWS 5's support, we have been part of their advanced capability build onboarding step process in preparation for ACB 25. Although Ping is currently focused on the U.S. Navy's SQQ-89 USW system, the serious game technology can be applied to any other USW system and team, as well as to almost any sensor or combat system for a fraction of the cost of high-fidelity simulations. The concept of a browser-based serious game can be applied to any operator/team training requirement, whether military or commercial. With regard to the ping topic, this specific transition path flows through IWS 5 to Lockheed Martin for combat system integration, and then to Leidos for integration to the SQQ-89 training system. As previously stated, this technology can be readily applied to any U.S. Navy USW platform, and so we are ready to support any USW system. You are invited to stop by booth 537 on 4 April at Sea and Space Exposition 2023 for a demonstration. If you can't make it there, please give us a call to set up a meeting.